So this is what Megamind does after she gets totally flushed out feeding her babies. I think these are one of her anxiety attacks. Yeah, yes, she does this. Like once in a while. Like once every day.
Okay, so every day I post a song as Mr. India. Now I'll tell you like how is my working process. Like how the key is it's spontaneous. I don't think too much about it. It just has to happen. Usually I sit down at night. So I just had dinner and today I'm doing it a bit early. It's 8:45 now. So I've just sat down to write a song, record it, upload it, and then hopefully go to sleep soon. So yeah, usually it starts with anything which is on my mind at that particular point of time. I'll just open Note app where I can write down the lyrics. What I was doing right now was browsing the net. Someone just sent me a friend request today and I accepted. His name is Samrao Jan Sambar. He shared a tweet by Chetan Bhagat. I'm not on Twitter and I don't follow Chetan Bhagat, so I just got to see this. And here he says, nerds, solve this. I don't know who are these nerds. So it's like, nerds, solve this. If H equals to 80% and M equals to 20% of population and H couples have 2 kids on average and M couples 4, and assuming a 25-year generation, when will M be greater than H? Now this looks like a math equation, but by H he means Hindus and by M he means Muslims. Because I think I read somewhere earlier where he referred to H as Hindus and M as Muslim sometime back in another of his articles. So as you know, Chetan Bhagat has, so I open this link, he has 6.83 million followers. That's quite a lot. So a lot of people follow him. And I think this kind of posts are unbelievably dangerous. I mean, what is he trying to say? Is he starting another Hindu-Muslim war or a riot or what? I don't know. Is this funny? Then someone writes, Sirji, why are you as an H so insecure? Hashtag get a life. Garima Mahajan writes this. And Chetan Bhagat replies with, that question is a joke. Silly. Hashtag I have a life. Hashtag you get one dudes or dudes. I don't know. So this was a joke. Oh, nice joke, Chetan Bhagat. Yes, so this was what I was checking out just after I came back after having my dinner. So this is on my mind right now, so I'll just write about it. As simple as that. So what I do is just take my guitar. While I'm thinking, I'll just strum some notes. So it depends, you know. Sometimes I come up with an original tune, or sometimes when I'm inspired, when I think and the words are taking me to an old tune which I'm familiar with, and it seems like just, you know, the right fit. And this just happens, I let it happen organically, you know, I don't think too much about it. For example, I was thinking about Chetan Bhagat and like, I was like, you are tweeting a lot, like everyone is talking about you. So then I was like, so that is what came in my mind. So then I wrote the first line कि आजकल चेतन जी के चर्चे हर जुबान पर. That's a song I'm sure most of you who listen to Bollywood music is familiar with. So yes, this is my setup. Just a laptop, my guitar, and I use this audio recorder to record my audio. And I need green tea by my side, so I keep sipping it. Keeps the mouth moist and nice. Okay, actually by this time I would have been done with the song. Thank you, my wife, for delaying me. So I get back to my video. Most of the times in Haflong, because of this weather nowadays, the problem is the electricity might go anytime, and we are using BSNL broadband connection. So if the power goes, and we don't have an inverter at home, so if the power goes, no chance of uploading. But my goal is to upload a video every day. So bye bye. आजकल चेतन जी के चर्चे हर जुबान पर, सबको मालूम है कि उसका दिमाग उड़ गया। आजकल चेतन जी के चर्चे हर अखबार पर, सबको मालूम है कि बंदा पागल हो गया। तुमने तो प्यार की एक कहानी